Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're just going to go out and explore Amritsar this morning, but I'm parked in the employees motorbike park, so I've got to kind of work my way through this maze, but we'll work it out. For now, let's go and explore Amritsar. And I've stopped for a soda water. These guys are climbing all over Libby. It scares me a bit, but it's just a part of the culture. They all want to get photos and things. Well guys, my first stop was supposed to be here, but this is just insanity. They want me to ride into here and park in here, but I'll never get it back out again. So we're going to the second stop. Oh, I've been riding up all down all these little one-lane streets with a million people walking on them. Libby's dripping coolant, but only a little bit. Like I put some in this morning, maybe 50 mil went in it this morning, so she's not leaking much. I was starting to wonder, is it worth it? Should I just go back to my hotel? But look at this, guys, behind me here. But this is the museum. Look where I am. Unbelievable. All around me, thousands and thousands of years old. But the streets were built for horses and people walking. They're not built for cars and motorbikes. Hello, Australia?
Australia?
Yes, yes.
In which city?
Sorry?
In which city?
Perth.
Perth.
Yes, you guys are going to be on YouTube now.
Yes.
Yeah, I got to drop my shoes off somewhere, but by the way, this is the Golden Temple. So I'm going to do what I meant to do tomorrow, and I'll go and do the Golden Temple, and this afternoon I'll do the border crossing ceremony, and then tomorrow I can explore Amritsar. Oh, it's hot, guys. It really is hot, but look where I am. Look at this. I dropped off my shoes. That was easy. And got a little token, and they're looking after my helmet as well. This is all done by volunteers, guys. It's a really big rite of passage for Sikh people to come and volunteer here. They give free food and like a massive big... Sorry guys, I seem to be going the wrong way around. I know people are walking this way as well. I'm getting mixed stories. Apparently I'm not allowed to film in here. That's why that last one suddenly stopped. But other people are telling me I'm not allowed to film in the actual temple. This is really amazing, guys. And like I was saying, it's a rite of passage for Sikhs from all over the world to come here and volunteer. And there's a food hall. Hey guys, there's a food hall where thousands of people every day are fed. Like I can go in there and sit and eat, but I'm still full from breakfast. And you just sit on the ground and people walk around with buckets of rice and curry and dal and things. And yes, it's a rite of passage for Sikhs to come here and volunteer, either at the desks or at serving food or cooking food or at the gates. But this really is quite amazing, guys. And every religion in the world is welcome here. It's, from what I believe, guys, and please tell me in the comments if I'm wrong. Sorry about this orange thing, but it's out of respect. Covering up people's heads. And yes, so sorry guys, I lost my train of thought there. Yeah, so from what I believe, a Catholic priest can come in here and he can do a service in here because every religion in the world's welcome. And you know guys, I've heard, well not heard, I know that if you want to marry a Muslim girl, you've got to convert. If you want to marry a Catholic girl, you've got to convert. If you want to marry a Jewish girl, you've got to convert. But I've never heard of anyone having to convert to Sikhism, so I think that they're a very, very inclusive religion. Helping other people is their pride. It's an amazing religion, and they were the assassins, I believe. That's why the part of their religion is they have to carry a knife. They were bodyguards and things for the old, I'm going to say Moguls, the Afghani Moguls, but again, I could be wrong about that, guys. This is just with the singing, guys, but as you can see right behind me, Catholic nuns, and this is just as important to them. And right here, guys, is the Golden Temple, the actual temple. But there's a queue about a mile long to get in there. It's very important to these people that have done a pilgrimage here. And I'm not allowed to film in there anyway, so I'm not going to bother. Or not now anyway, maybe a bit later. But, unbelievable. Look at this, guys. Hang on. I'm just going to get round the corner. I'll start filming again. Guys, this is the Golden Temple, as I said. And you can see that queue goes all the way up here and in there. And people just do a lap and come out. Oh, so now some other people have stopped and told me I'm not allowed to film. So, guys, I've seen a million vlogs in here, so I don't know what's going on, really. And here are some of the volunteers cooking and cleaning. It smells amazing in here, so I can smell mutton, so I do know I might actually be hungry before this is all finished. Oh God, I'm just seeing myself in the screen with this headband on. And look at this, guys, just amazing. I'll try and get a better shot where the guards aren't telling me not to film. But everyone, I've seen a million vlogs here, so I don't know what's going on. This whole thing, just incredible, guys. Look at the other side there. Unbelievable. And guys, they started building this in 1581. Just incredible. I think it was finished, like completely finished, in 1641, but don't quote me on that one, but I do know they started in 1581. Look at this, guys, just so... And all these people, this is like a Catholic going to the Vatican. So there's something about washing yourself in this water that's supposed to be sacred, and I hadn't seen anyone doing it. And then I walked around this corner, and this is where they're all doing it. They're all washing in here. Get my feet a little bit wet. Can't hurt on a hot day like today. Look at this, guys. I hope the GoPro's doing this justice, because it is just unbelievable. And this is another entry. This place just goes, every time you turn around the corner, there's more. Unbelievable, guys. This, to me, is more impressive than the Taj Mahal. Like, the Taj was an amazing building, but this, the Taj was built for selfish reasons. Well, this is here for everyone. Look at this, guys. I really hope the GoPro's doing this justice, because every time I turn around, look at this building here. Hey, guys.
Hi.
The YouTube channel. Subscribe. Okay, guys, so here is the food hall. I don't want to eat, but I'll just go and show you it's just massive from what I believe. And guys, this is all day, every day of the year. So you just find a place to sit, and people walk around with different things of food, and you just say yes or no if you want that food, and they feed thousands and thousands of people every single day. Unbelievable, guys, really. And there's another hall through there. I know that's where they do all the cooking and things, I think. Let's go. This is how it works. People just walk around. He's walking around with dal. He's walking around with chapati. Everyone does different things. I think in here they're either cooking. Hello. They're either cooking in these giant big pots. I know they're washing the pots there. Look at the size of these pots they're cooking food in, guys. Just for cooking, guys. Can I look? Look at these giant pots of food, and look at these ones here, guys. Massive, massive pots. Unbelievable. These ones are gas. Oh, they're all gas. But out here, hello! Out here, whoa. There's piles and piles of firewood, so a lot of this must be cooked over wood. Hello, my friends. All this firewood.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
But all these in here seem to be cooking on gas. And guys, every single person you see working here is a volunteer, doing their kind of like a pilgrimage, really, I guess, to Sikhism. Unbelievable, really. I wish I was hungry. I'd sit down and eat, but I had a massive breakfast not that long ago. Volunteers washing all the dishes. Look at all these millions of trays. Look at this, guys. happy to be doing this. Yeah, guys, I'm glad I came here. I was going to leave this till tomorrow and do this and the border crossing tomorrow and a few other things today, but I'm very happy I came in today. And there's such a crowd walking the opposite direction than me that I keep thinking I'm sure I'm going the wrong way, but then I realise there's just as many people walking my way. So it's unbelievable, guys. Big fat white lady here all dressed up as an Indian. Look at this, guys. Just incredible. Well, guys, I haven't been this excited for a while. I'm going to the border ceremony to Pakistan at the Wagah Attari border, Pakistan-India border ceremony. This is a big deal. It happens every night. You can see all the people queued up over here. And look, guys, Pakistan flag. That's how close we are. And in 2 days, we'll be back here again to actually cross the border. But for now, we're just going to go to the ceremony on the Indian side. The atmosphere here is like a football match, guys. There's the Pakistani flag right there. So I'll be riding through here in a couple of days. I'll be riding through that gate right there. Yeah, this you'll see. And if you haven't seen a ceremony before, sorry guys, I've only got the GoPro. You're not allowed to bring much in here. So I could only have what I fit in my pockets. Everything else is in a locker. So all I've got is the GoPro. So hopefully we'll be able to enjoy it with this. But, I'm excited, I am. Look at this, guys, I hope you can hear me. It's just like a football match. This is crazy, guys, and it hasn't even really started yet. So it's all been dancing and stuff and music till now. But the actual ceremony's about to start. This really is insane, guys, the noise. This time I've got the front mic on so you can get a better idea. Seen videos of this a million times, but there's nothing like being there. That was extremely powerful. It's still going on now. They haven't let the flags down yet, but all my gear's in the locker. I don't want to be standing in a queue for an hour, so I'll grab my gear, go and jump on the bike, head back to the hotel. It's about a half-hour ride, but as you can see, I'm not the only one that's left early. Well guys, that was an amazing day. You can see the building over here and there's the fort and things. Guys, I was so sick. That hotel in Durham, I think they poisoned me with the breakfast because last night I just about died. It was just horrible, and luckily hopefully it's just a 24-hour one. I'm feeling a bit better now, but I'm dead. So I didn't do any exploring today, but yesterday that Golden Temple and the border ceremony, what an amazing day. But anyway guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.